Looking for the best 3D printer to buy in 2026? Whether you're a complete beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional maker, choosing the right 3D printer can be overwhelming with so many new models on the market. This year, manufacturers have pushed the limits of speed, print quality, reliability, and multicolor printing, making 3D printing more exciting than ever. Recent industry reviews highlight major advances from brands like Bambu Lab, Prusa, Creality, and Elegoo, with faster machines and smarter automation becoming the new standard. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. We'll compare their features, performance, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect machine for your needs and budget. Be sure to watch until the end because our number one pick delivers an incredible combination of speed, reliability, and print quality that stands out from the competition. And if you want to check current prices or learn more about any of the printers featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. 5. Bambu Lab A1. Take your 3D printing experience to the next level with the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer, engineered for speed, precision, and effortless performance. Featuring an incredible 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, the A1 delivers high-speed printing without compromising detail or accuracy. Unleash your creativity with vibrant multicolor prints when paired with the AMS light system, making professional quality color printing accessible to everyone. Enjoy a hassle-free workflow thanks to full auto calibration, which automatically handles bed leveling, Z-offset adjustment, and other essential setup tasks. The advanced active flow rate compensation technology ensures consistently smooth and flawless prints by dynamically adjusting extrusion for maximum accuracy. Designed with convenience in mind, the A1 features a user-friendly touchscreen, a one-clip quick-swap nozzle for easy maintenance, and active motor noise canceling for a quieter printing environment. Whether you're a hobbyist, creator, or professional, the Bambu Lab A1 brings your ideas to life faster, easier, and with exceptional quality every time. 4. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Unlock ultra-fast, hassle-free 3D printing with the FlashForge Adventurer 5M series. Experience true one-click automatic printing with advanced auto bed leveling that delivers perfect first layers every time, no manual adjustments needed. Powered by a high-performance Core XY motion system, the Adventurer 5N reaches speeds up to 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, enabling rapid prototyping and efficient production without sacrificing precision. Designed for convenience, it features a quick 3-second nozzle swap, a high-flow 32 millimeters per second nozzle, and a fast 35-second heat up to 200 degrees Celsius for smooth, high-speed printing. Dual fan cooling, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle size options, 0.25 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder ensure exceptional print quality across a wide range of materials and applications. Stay connected with the FlashMaker mobile app for real-time remote monitoring and smart printer control. For a complete demonstration of its speed, features, and print quality, watch our YouTube video and see why the Adventurer 5M series is the perfect choice for makers, designers, educators, and professionals alike. 3. Elegoo Jupiter 2 Resin. Take your resin 3D printing to the next level with the Elegoo Jupiter 2, engineered for creators who demand larger builds, exceptional detail, and smarter automation. Featuring an impressive 302.4, 161.98 by 300 millimeter build volume, 2.5 times larger than the Saturn IV, Jupiter 2 lets you print massive models or batch multiple parts in a single job. Its ultra-high 16K resolution, 1520 x 6230, and 20 x 26 millimeter XY precision deliver stunning, lifelike details, while the enclosed light source ensures consistent exposure and flawless results. Smart features such as multi-point auto leveling, automatic resin management, tank heating with rapid 30 degrees Celsius preheating, and intelligent safety alarms make printing easier and more reliable than ever. The dual-door design, quick-release build plate, tool-free film replacement, built-in HDR camera with real-time monitoring, and Wi-Fi-enabled remote management create a seamless user experience from setup to finished print. Whether you're a professional designer, miniature enthusiast, or serious maker, Jupiter 2 delivers industrial-grade performance with unmatched convenience. Watch our YouTube video to see the Jupiter 2 in action and discover how it can transform your 3D printing workflow. 2. Anycubic Cobra X Multicolor. Watch the video to see the Anycubic Cobra X in action and discover the next generation of multicolor 3D printing. The newest Anycubic Cobra X comes with 4-color printing built in and can be expanded to an incredible 19-color setup when paired with 4 Ace 2 Pro units, bringing your most creative ideas to life with stunning color detail. Designed for speed and efficiency, it reduces filament waste and travel paths by up to 81.25%, delivering up to 2x faster printing while lowering material costs. Equipped with a hardened steel nozzle, vibration compensation, and blazing print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, the Cobra X can complete a benchy in just 14 minutes without sacrificing precision. LeviQ 3.0 automatic 49-point bed leveling ensures flawless first layers every time, while smart AI monitoring features, including spaghetti detection and foreign object detection, provide a worry-free printing experience. With remote control via the Anycubic app, dual-band Wi-Fi and LAN connectivity, support for PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, and ASA filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius, and a spacious 260 x 260 x 260 millimeter build volume, the Cobra X is the perfect choice for makers, educators, hobbyists, and professionals seeking powerful, reliable, and colorful 3D printing performance. 1. Creality K1C experience next-level 3D printing with the Creality K1C, engineered for speed, precision, and convenience. Featuring an incredible printing speed of up to 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per squares acceleration, the K1C delivers prints up to 12 times faster than traditional 3D printers, helping you turn ideas into finished models in less time. With a spacious 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84-inch build volume, it's perfect for a wide range of creative projects. Designed for true plug-and-play operation, the K1C arrives fully assembled and tested, allowing you to start printing within minutes of unboxing. Advanced auto-calibration functions, including auto-Z offset, auto-leveling, and auto-input shaping, eliminate manual setup and ensure reliable print quality every time. The upgraded clog-free direct drive extruder supports carbon fiber and high-temperature filaments up to 300 degrees Celsius, while the durable nozzle system provides smooth, consistent extrusion. Smart AI monitoring detects print failures and enables real-time viewing and time-lapse recording, giving you complete control wherever you are. Combined with an enhanced multi-fan cooling system that minimizes warping, stringing, and imperfections, the Creality K1C delivers exceptional print quality, faster production, and a hassle-free user experience for beginners and professionals alike. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first machine or an experienced maker ready to upgrade, there's a perfect option on this list for every budget and skill level. We hope this video helped you find the right 3D printer for your needs. If it did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Also, don't forget, all product links are available in the description below so you can check the latest prices, deals, and detailed specifications for each printer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.